So this Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices come down from this 88.74 down towards this 88.51. We do appear to be holding support, but what we have seen is prices weren't able to successfully break the 200 period moving average, from which we did see some sell side momentum come into the market. This very large sell-off here is likely news related. It's a very large candle in the context of the overall trend, possibly being a news related event, which was somewhat either negative for the euro or positive for the pound, maybe a combination of the both of the two. So we have seen prices come down towards 88.20. Had a brief pullback here up towards the 400 period moving average. We weren't able to hold the 400 period moving average. We did see a rejection, and what we have seen is further sell side to momentum to the downside. Now, this sell side momentum doesn't seem very strong at present, so we may push back and counter trend from this most recent trend to the downside, and what we might see is a move back up towards the 88.20. Successful break from which we're going to see our price react around the 400 period moving average. A break from there, we're looking for 88.51, and a break from there, we'll see our price react in around the 200 period moving average, sitting around 88.60 before looking for price head up towards that 88.74. If, however, we do just see that sell side continuation on the euro against the pound, we would be looking for prices to head down towards this 8783, beyond which we're going to see how prices react around. There we are. So beyond 8783, we're looking for price head towards our 8750, and beyond 8750, we're looking for price head towards our 87 level on the euro against the pound. If we head over to the 4-hour chart. So over on the 4-hour chart, we can see here the importance of the levels just highlighted. So we've got the 8783, slightly below this 8750. We trade as well down to the 8740, and beyond there we've got 87. We did see a buy side momentum come back into the market. So what we're going to do now is head over to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart here, and as we can see, we've gone to a bit of we've been in a consolidative range for a pretty long time now. On the euro pound, we've not seen a breakout to the downside, nor have we seen a break up in prices. What we have seen is prices coming up towards at 89.14. Seen price coming towards at 89.14, from which we did see rejection, and we have seen further sell side momentum coming into this market. So we do look poised to head down towards at 8783, possibly down to the lower end of the trading channel here in around the 87, or possibly at a push down towards that 86.63. But I would expect the far end of range to be around the 87 mark, because that's pretty much where we found support previously. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.